Hello, this is my favorite watch and the best watch that I bought. The design, it's a Captain America. You see, it's made of carbon fiber in an expensive watch. So I bought it for about around 70 KD in dinar here in Kuwait. So it's a nice watch with the Captain America logo. It's original Invicta, from Invicta. It's a limited edition from Invicta. You see, so beautiful. See? Wow, nice. It's a unique watch. Invicta watch. Ciao.